A length-awaited draft to increase the people of gold eagles in the southward of Scotland has undertaken away. 3 youthful gold eagles been liberated in the Savage at a open secret position in the Moffat mountain range. They were excited of nests in the highlands wherever the most of the bird are normally found. The translocation draft hopes to growth the quantity of gold eagles in components of the nation wherever they be in more uncommon view. Less rather than 5 cultivation pairs already exist in the southward of Scotland in England or Wales. It is hoped human beings of the southward of Scotland, northern England and the Wales will include the opportunity to see the portrait poultry in the upcoming months and year. In the at first of a episode of Innovative Translocations, conservationists work for the southward of Scotland gold Orel draft include effectively transportable 3 chicks. Following creature discussed, measurable and later adjusted in a Sputnik transponder to path them while they get to the skiing, they were liberated in the Moffat mountain range. The bird were just processed 2 times, one day while they were remote by license of their nests and while they were verified above and labeled up creature liberated. The pound draft, posted by the Southern Uplands Association, is now inviting on voluntary through the southward of Scotland to supporting draft personnel and Scotch Predator research team members in tracking and record sightings of the bird. The chicks were mentioned by regional school children as Edward, Hooked and Emily. RSPB Scotland, Scotch Earth and Estates, Forest Management Committee Scotland, Scotch Nature Legacy and Buccleuch and the Southern Uplands Association, been work along for more than rather than 11 year to give the draft to realization. For the following 4 persons year, the schema will give up to 10 youthful eagles southward. Scotland has fair above 500 pairs, fair 2 to 4 persons cultivation pairs in the southward of Scotland wherever they are very fighting youthful gold eagles are hard hunted. A tertiary of them been annihilated each via survey or poison. He added, downward there in the southward of Scotland we've been capable to assure ourselves harassment is not in question. He's fair a little fragmented people how as necessary the help brush of us. We been suppressed by the supporting we are receive of landowners and we are calm these bird our departure to be greet. The bird are so gem, they will be controlled and back length following their produce. Every liberated gold Orel is Sputnik labeled to provide the draft crew based up as lot data as they can on the range behavior, surviving, and public health of the bird. Their band could get them of the mountain range of southern Scotland to the pond area or though as far as Wales. Kat Barlow, draft officer for the gold Orel draft, told, "The is really considerable. We are hard to increase the shrinking people and do certainly how we are vision a poultry how should be there in the skiing of the southward of Scotland. The will be there at first period out of the aviaries. They may fly a few meters, they may fly a 100 meters up the vale. We don't very aware still. Yet we've selected a place wherever down there's lot of various sites wherever they can otherwise and sit, rock for them to sit on, things love how. So with hope they will fly out in the vale, discover some time to settle down, and in their own period get up in the skiing and investigate." Talk on the draft, Scotland's Environmental Secretariat Rosanna Cunningham told, "Gold eagles are one of Scotland's largest spectacular kind and lot human beings, myself turned on, will be agitated by the enlarged prospect to see these splendid animals in the Savage." In supporting gold Orel numbers in the southward of Scotland, the draft will add to the biodiversity conservation of the region, as potential engaging more than visitors, in the concomitant economical benefits how brings.